Challenge number 2 today, an accident. It unfolds in front of us. Will we be part of it? Stay tuned. Buckle up. Hold on tight. Welcome to the joy of trucking.
In 1 mile, exit right, then keep left.
We're in Denver. We started off in the dark, in snow, with ice, and now we're turning onto I-25 heading south towards Albuquerque. If you like traveling with us, please do subscribe to our channel. And now watch up ahead. This is how quickly lives can change.
Exit right, then keep left.
So, from this situation and from this video, I have to tell you, I was driving slowly because of the road conditions and there was traffic. So it was fortunate I wasn't going full speed when all this took place in front of us. And I was able to slow the truck down right away when I saw what was happening, but I was also conscious of people coming up behind me. So I turned the 4-ways on right away so nobody would come up and slam into the back of me. And I was checking my mirrors to see what people in the other lanes were doing in case somebody was trying to swerve to avoid something or other. And we were fortunate that there was a way through the scene that I didn't have to, get over 3 lanes and go around it while traffic was there. And we did slow down sufficiently to see that everybody was all right. Nobody appeared to be injured. They were all grabbing their cell phones. So I went ahead, proceeded through, and right away put out a call on the CB to let other people know that something had happened. And I asked Tanya to call 911 to call the authorities right away and get some emergency response people there. Can't think of anything else I could have done, but maybe you thought of something, so put it in the comments down below. And I hope you got something from this video and could see what can happen out there and how you got to respond to it. So just keep a cool head, go slow, take your time, and think of the safety of yourself and all the people around you too, all the other vehicles, all the other people out there traveling, because you're in a great big truck and you can do a lot of damage. So, all right, give us a thumbs up and comments below and hit the subscribe, and bye for now.